Now let me show you inside. These stones contain the most ancient artifacts in the design. For example, these are stone tools excavated from different places in the province of Cebu. These may date to between 3000 and 1500 BC. And this is the ancient coffin, where ancestral people used to bury their bodies. This is how we would carve both coffins. The pre-colonial Cebuano, like many other groups in the islands, Southeast Asia believes that the soul traveled to the heavens on a boat at specific times after death. Here we can see the old beliefs of our ancient people. These came from different races. Vietnamese, from Vietnam, and then from Tang Dynasty in Argao. Now, here. Are you familiar with the bow and the arrow, or many of the instruments used by ancient people to carve a war battle like that? This is an example. Artifacts from recent excavations and looting of burial sites in Bantayan. Iron tools from burial sites. Clay net sinkers, a common burial accompaniment for those living in coastal settlements. And in this area contains the toilet, or the common one where ancient people used to warm to the, hearing field, right? Potter's wheel, Potter's wheel. This is recovered from burials in Cebu. These toilets may have been used to contain perfumes, aromatic oils, medicinal liquids, or even poison. Down here is a brownware toilet, probably from Guangdong, China, circa 14th to 15th century. And from down there, it is broken already. This is some large Zhangza ware, also called Wanli-ware. This very large basin or charger was recovered by the construction workers at the height of the construction of the SRT subway. And now the most iconic part is the ancient skull. Deformed skull during the 16th century, native Cebuanos tied pieces of flat wood behind and at the front of their heads to deform their skull. This process was their concept of beauty. Placelets, Cernus Celadon wares, noted for their luscious greenish glaze from the early Ming Dynasty period, probably 1400s, some burials in Argao and Liluan. I think this is some kind of accessories from ancient people. Bracelets made from the horns or tips of giant triton or trumpet shells. And a fragment of dagger that held interspersed with what appear to be ivory pieces. Here is a gold peg teeth, gold band seals, sewn by the looter together with rough glass heads, beads most probably exported from Malaysia or India. Down below is the Bantayan finds excavated grave goods from burials in Barangay Bantige and nearby barangays of Bantayan. And from here above is also the accessory, and this is the Metal Age earthen fragment. Recovered from a cave in Berlin has been turned to metal earthenware, yung fragments recovered from relative sites, Barangay Mactan, Puro, Kamote.